What's up, guys? Today I'll be installing the JDM badges on my Honda Civic Si. So what you'll need for this install is dental floss and then the badges that you got. And I will put the link to the badges I got in the description. I had a video of me unboxing all the badges and stuff, but I got a new phone, so I lost that. But without further ado, let's get into this install. Alright guys, so that was the install. Here's the old badges, and you saw how much better the new ones looked. What I ended up having to doing on the rear badge was I got a toothbrush and some dish soap, and I had to clean up all the adhesive off with that. But yeah, it looks really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm trying to get my video quality up, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.